What's up mga kachupos? Hello mga kachupos!
Rises the BPI booth.
Hello mga ka-Shupos, at ngayon ay day 1 ng Noel Bazaar at kasama natin si Ma'am Erica.
Hello po, good afternoon. Welcome to Hugsies World.
And ma'am, regarding pala sa event na to ma'am, is ano pala yung sinashowcase nyo or hina-highlight nyo sa event na to ma'am?
Okay, so for Noel Bazaar, we're showcasing Hugsies. So we just launched last June, and these are the first and original plushies that Hug and Connect for you to collect. So they have the signature hug buttons that connects all these plushies po in different sizes. Tapos sa end po nila, they have their accessories na pwede din nilang gawin as keyrings.
And ma'am, regarding po pala sa mga ganito ma'am, is magkano pala yung pinaka-lowest or pinaka-budget meal na binibenta nyo po?
Okay, so for this set, the Clixies or their accessories, it's for 178, so mura-mura lang. Then for this one po, the 8 inches, it's 338. And if you avail it here sa Noel Bazaar, if you get 3, it's only for 999. So the 728 and 1698. If you get the set, it's 2499 lang.
And sir, ma'am Erica, regarding po pala sa pinakamalaki ma'am, is gano'n po siya kalaki ma'am?
This is 21 inches po.
And ayun pala ma'am, regarding pala sa mga gantong stuff toy ma'am, if ever pala gusto nilang magpa-customize, pwede rin po ba or hindi po?
For Hugsies, they are already made na po. So, we all have a series na po. We have the Barnyard Buddies, the Magic Mains are the Unicorn, Safari, Dogs, Cats, and many more pa po. So, you can choose from our collections na po.
And ma'am, ano pala yung mga mode of payment na ina-accept nyo po dito ma'am?
For Noel Bazaar, we accept 1 QR po. 1 QR. BPI 1 QR.
And syempre ma'am, regarding po pala sa store nyo ma'am, is may physical store po ba ma'am?
For Hugsies, we don't have a physical store yet, but we'll be here at the Noel Bazaar from November 26 to 30 po.
And ma'am, regarding po pala sa social media, just in case na gusto nilang umorder online ma'am, ano pala yung isa-search po nila?
Just search on Facebook, it's Hugsies Official, then Instagram, Hugsies_official.
And once again, thank you ma'am Erica.
Thank you. Thank you po.
Hello mga ka-Shupos, at ngayon ay day 1 ng Noel Bazaar at kasama uli natin si Ma'am Noreen.
So,
Hello mga ka-Shupos, at ngayon ay day 1 ng Noel Bazaar at syempre kasama uli natin si Ma'am Noreen. Hello mga ka-Shupos, at ngayon ay day 1 ng Noel Bazaar at syempre kasama natin si Ma'am Wences. Hello mga ka-Shupos, at ngayon ay day 1 ng Noel Bazaar at kasama po natin si Sir.